Hello, thanks for coming. So, the last time I was going to do this RAM chip swapping that I never quite got to. Why? Well, because other strange things were happening, which of course could be RAM related. So, it seems no better time than the present to open this up, put down its little lever, and start into this. Now, I'm just going to move. I have a light here. I'm trying to move it a little closer without causing issues. The chip I want to get to right now is this one. That is it. Perhaps, just in case, I will grab my phone, but I might need it for light. I do not want to put chips in improperly. I just don't. So, the pet is off. The one bad RAM chip I know about is right over here. All the rest in front here, I don't know. So, the pet is off. I'm going to take my specialized chip puller, otherwise known as a flat blade screwdriver, and I'm going to put this chip over there. Now, the one thing, of course, I want to make sure is that I get this chip in the right way around. Ow. Excuse me. I'm just putting my glasses on. Now, according to this, and according to the way I took all the chips out, the little tiny witness mark should be facing the front of the machine. It is still difficult at times to get in here, but I believe I am in, and it is time to turn this on and see what comes up. And the screen comes up as OK. So that is a good sign. Now this RAM chip that I just tested originally was located in the machine in this socket. So I'm going to be careful to put things back where I found them. I'm not putting it in the machine yet. But I'm going to put it back in the location that I found it. And I will test the one that was in this socket next. And I will put it in. I believe I put it in. No, I'm off. I am off kilter. Let me check the pins. Okay. We are in. We will turn it on. We will see. Aha! Just a moment. Oh. Well, now the screen is okay. There were vertical lines, but I've seen that before with these potentially strange, the trouble with the connector on the top of the monitor. So now it's coming up okay. Alright. interesting. I will put that one back in its positioning, because when I found these to be bad in the past at times, I found that it really is, like, there's no question. If the screen comes up terribly wrong, there's something terribly wrong. Alright, so we have another RAM chip in. We will turn it on. Oh, now that is worthy of sharing. Indeed, there are, or there were, vertical lines, but this is different. We have 4 cursors and 4 positions. Isn't that interesting? So, will this actually tell me? Oh yes, it will tell me to press play. I do not believe that this is going to work properly, but who knows? Well, it's found Commodore. I have never exactly seen a failure such as this. Excuse me. I have not. The vertical lines I'm not worried about because, oh, here we are, run. Oh. Let me see if I can clear the screen. Oh yeah, we've got cursors. Syntax RN10. L-I-S-T. Yes, I see the problem. Interesting. Well, now that we've seen this strangeness, I'm going to assume that that RAM chip is defective. I'm going to turn the machine back on. Let's see what craziness continues. Oh yeah. That. Oh, sorry, tape drive. I should have turned that off. Alright. That chip is coming out. And it's not going back with the others. It's not. Now, just double checking to make sure I have all the pins okay. So I'm going to put this, the first defective one here, I'm going to put the other ones that I test here to try and keep them separate. So the witness mark is okay. This is another of the RAM chips. That was on. The bottom row. And that one appears to come up okay. As we are now on to our 4th chip. I think I'm just going to try again to load the Commodore program, which may or may not work. Now, I see, you know what, I see screen flashing, which may, I don't know. I'm thinking, remember, this program was just about sucking up every ounce of memory there was. Load error. Oh, yeah, why Okay, I know what's going to happen there. I think we are indeed dealing with other RAM issues. But for this moment, I'm going to take this chip out. I'm assuming that it seems to be okay. I'm going to put it back in the location that it came out of the machine. And I'm going to grab another RAM chip. I'm going to line it up with great care. Great care. Hello. Nope, it's not happening. What's going on here? Let me check the pins. They all seem okay. They all do. Sometimes I just don't want to go. Alright, I'm going to try. What is going on here? Just a moment. It's one thing when you are doing stuff like this. Don't hurry. You know what? I don't know why. That one just doesn't want to go in. I'm going to leave it out of the way here. And I'm going to try another one. I wonder if something happened to the sockets. I don't see that. I do not think I'm in exactly the right configuration here. Okay. Looks good. We're in. Okay. Oh, yeah. Need to turn off the cassette drive. So that one is seeming to be okay. It is. So I'm going to go back to this other one that I had troubles getting in. Let's see, is it me, or is it the chip? It's still giving me some level of grief. Let's stand there. Not really. Let's stand there. Well, sort of. Alright, let me look at they look okay. Like, what is it here? I'm just trying to look at the socket, and it looks okay. I don't want to force. Okay, I think we got it. Okay, we are in. Let's turn this on. Okay. And up comes the screen. So it's good. Now, once again, I will type in load, and I will press play. Remember, this could be an old corrupt tape too. So I have now, as far as I can tell, found one bad RAM chip. Oh yeah, no, things are still a little wonky. No, it's still a little weird. Strange. Okay. I have more RAM chips to test. I do. I'm just going to take a little break and get back to checking the rest of them and seeing where we're at. So thanks for coming. Stay tuned. Bye for now.